Imagine the perfect peach pie with that delicious, gooey, spicy peach filling, the nice crispy pie crust on top and on the bottom. Just an ultimate summer treat. I love peaches. I live in Georgia, so we are the peach state, and every summer when peaches are in season, I love to make all of the peach desserts. And with this being stop number 47 somehow on my 50 video series, making every state dessert in America. If you haven't seen the other ones, go check them out. We got to the state of Delaware, and it was kind of a toss-up like the recent states have been, where there was not one certain state dessert. This was recommended according to my research, so this is what we're doing today for Delaware. The full written recipe is in the description if you would like to make this at home, and before we get started, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can join me every week for new amazing recipes. I used 7 yellow peaches, make sure they're nice and ripe, and got them peeled, removed the pit, and sliced them up. Now in a bowl, we're going to add in a pinch of salt, along with the zest of 1 lemon, 1 cup of brown sugar, half a cup of all-purpose flour, tablespoon of cardamom, tablespoon of cinnamon, a teaspoon of allspice, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of cloves. Once that's all nicely mixed, this goes into a pie crust. You can use a store-bought or homemade. I like homemade for this just because we do add a top crust to make it really homemade, classic nostalgic pie here. So I'm going to seal those edges, crimp them. Then I like to just use my kitchen shears to cut those holes on top of the pie. Brush with egg wash, and this goes in a 400-degree oven for about 20 minutes, and then you're gonna lower the temperature and bake it at 350 for about another hour. Put it on a sheet pan just in case anything bubbles over. Let it cool before slicing, and y'all, it is an amazing peach pie that you're going to want to make again. A good classic peach pie is pretty hard to beat, and I kind of tailored this recipe to my own liking, so if there is anything you prefer or don't prefer in your peach pie filling, like spices or flavorings or whatever, you can throw those in or subtract them. This is really a matter of your own preference. The recipe is really just a guideline. I live! It's just so nice and fresh with the right peaches. All the spices work so well together with it. Nothing is overwhelming. Perfect amount of sweetness. The brown sugar really complements the peaches in this, which is why I prefer that over granulated. And then of course, classic buttery flaky pie crust to go with it. I mean, hello. Once again, recipe is in the description if you'd like to make this at home, which you absolutely should because it's delicious. Be sure to check out my other social media, and of course, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share this video, all those good things. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.